Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video, I will explain you how to use our Google Jobs API. So the applications of Google Jobs API could be like building a job board or tracking jobs in a particular sector. And the advantage of using Google Jobs API is that Google already pulls data from multiple sources like LinkedIn, Indeed for the jobs, and it combines and show it to you. So if you want to test this API, you just have to sign up from here or from here. Once you have once you are signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard. The dashboard will look like this: Google Jobs Scraper. And we pass something like Python jobs in New York. This is my sample query, and let me just click on right button and see what data I get. So this is the data I get, and this is the title of the job. This is the company who is offering this particular job, and this is thumbnail. These are the job highlights, like what qualifications you need, what benefits you get from this job, and what will be your responsibility. Apply options, like this is sourced from LinkedIn, so you can just use this particular link to apply for this particular job. And these are some few more details, like 22 hours ago it was posted. This is full-time job, no degree mentioned. This is another job. So this is a complete JSON response of the first page. Now if you need the second page, you can either use this particular API URL if you are coding this or extracting this data in a particular language. But if you want to get the in general, if you want to get the data of the next page, you just copy this token and just paste it over here. This is the next page token. When you paste this token and click on right button, you will get the jobs available on the second page. This is how you can scrape all the jobs for a particular keyword from Google. So now if you have any questions regarding this API or any other API, you can contact us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.